Hello everyone, this is Two Youths Transplanted, and I just wanted everyone to know the Eagles have landed, at least at our house, that is.
Bear with us for a few moments as we share with you a new channel we have truly been enjoying. It's not your typical YouTube channel, but if you check it out, we bet you are going to like it as much as we do.
It will calm your nerves and lift your spirits, and in this crazy world, we could all use some of that.
First, a little backstory, or maybe a bit of a love story too. Meet Jackie and Shadow, the most famous couple at Big Bear Valley. The story of how these two birds met and bonded will warm your heart.
This season, Jackie and Shadow shared with the world their nesting season, which produced 2 eggs. Sadly, one did not hatch, but the one that did lovingly came to be known as Spirit, and the unhatched egg was claimed by Spirit as her teddy egg.
We will leave the link of this beautiful story in the description box. Jackie, Shadow, and their little eaglet Spirit are the focus of a 24-hour live eagle nest cam situated in the picturesque Big Bear Valley in San Bernardino, California. Their live eagle cam can be found right here on YouTube, and also will be linked in the description box of this video.
We have followed this eagle family from Spirit's first week through today, where she is now becoming a beautiful and independent bald eagle with a lot of personality.
In fact, they all have their own personalities and character traits. Sometimes you forget you're watching them and not a sitcom.
We highly encourage you to start watching at all these birds. It's like a bird's eye view into nature at its best.
For more information, visit friendsofbigbearvalley.org. And they also have a little gift shop there too, where you can buy t-shirts and all kinds of cute goodies.
Now that you know who these precious eagles are, we would like to share with you our summer garland we have made in honor of them. It will include
Jackie, Little Spirit, and the tiny teddy egg as they anticipate Shadow's return to the nest with yet another stick
for their humble abode.
We hope that you have enjoyed seeing our summer garland. And anyone who knows anything about Two Youths Transplanted knows that we love to use foam and foam board to make a lot of our decorations, and this was no different. All these pieces were made out of foam, including the little faux fishes that accent the garland as well in honor of Shadow's wonderful hunting skills. So we just wanted to share our little summer garland with you, and thought that if you knew who these eagles were, you get a kick out of it. And if you didn't, we want you to check them out so that you do know who these eagles are. And also this patriotic wreath that I'm going to insert a picture of that Mama made, this eagle patriotic wreath, we thought came out really, really pretty. So that was worth sharing too. We're going to leave the link in the description box so that you can check out the YouTube channel for these eagles.
It's so educational too.
And you have to watch this week. You have to start watching if you haven't before, because Spirit's going to fledge the nest in the upcoming weeks. So you have to watch that. We're looking forward to it, but we know it's going to be very sad for us also.
Now go check out those eagles. What are you waiting for? Thanks so much for watching, guys. We really appreciate it.
Remember, in this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're going to worry, don't pray.